maraming magtatampo, lalo na sa makasamahan namin sa media, because I cannot invite everyone. Firstly, hindi tayo magkakasya dito lahat. But what's important is, siguro there will always be a time na magkakasama-sama kaming lahat. And I promise that, awa ng Diyos, God willing, it's going to happen. What's this? Payagin lang ako nung nasa itaas ng Panginoong Diyos. Bigyan ako ng good health. Continued, blessings lalo na po sa aking online show, TikTok with Aster Amoyo. I have to be very, very honest also na nung sinimulan ko ang aking online talk show, I just wanted to do it, not for anything. Hindi po ako mayaman, simpleng tao lang po ako. Merely because I just wanted to do something during the pandemic. Alam naman natin lahat, di ba? Naka-lockdown. We were all locked in our homes. Hindi tayo makalabas. Ako kasi, sanay po ako na may ginagawa. Kinasa bahay ako, kinasa labas ako. I want to be busy with something. Let me just share this, no? I know this is my birthday, but I just wanted to let everybody know kung how I started my online show, TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Way back, almost 4 years ago. Ara was there. Nalala mo, Ara, yung launch ng Skyjet, direct flight from Manila to Palawan. Di ba? San Jose, Palawan. I met this couple. Yung